What's up, guys, and good morning. I'm just going to take a little walk around up in this area. I don't think I ever walked around, when I mean this area, up around the Clarkton Hotel, in case you didn't catch yesterday's video. Just going to cruise around here, see what's all down through here. Driven down this road a million times, but never walked around. Somebody asked me, hey, do they pay you? There's a 7-Eleven. Do they pay you to do a video on their hotels? And no, I do this stuff for free, guys. Show around, show the culture, show the places to stay, the places to eat. I do it for free. I don't get paid. It's just something I enjoy. It's a supplement. I do it for free. Never know what's down in here. 4 days of Christmas, 4 days of New Year, buffet special. I've seen this place here. Morango Grill, I think it's called, at the Oasis, Clark Perimeter Road. But I have never eaten. I'm gonna maybe take a. I'm gonna walk back this way. Check out this area back here. Oasis Hotel, Morango Grill, grilled steaks, pub, drinks and music, concourse function meeting, Clarkville houses and apartments. I want to just stroll back here. See what's back in here. Unless security guy yells at me and says I can't come back in here, I'll just keep strolling. If he'll stop me, he'll stop me. Morning, how are you? I'm just going to take a walk. You want to make sure I'm okay? I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm good. I'm good. All right. Salamat kuya. Housing back here. Nice houses, huh? Really nice back in here. They even have their own security as you come in. Asked me where I was going. Boy, this is really... I know, I always say it, right? This is really, really nice, huh? I like this back in here. Clean. That house looks empty. No, there's somebody sitting there. It's like an area I wouldn't mind moving to. Welcome home, Oasis Hotel. Wow, that back in there. That's the thing, you get off on these little side streets and it becomes its own little world. I would say this is a community through here. Some type of housing community. Big Expedition, Ford Expedition. And it's quiet. As you get back in here, it's quiet. Houses are nicely landscaped. Parking garages. There's a bunch of Christmas decorations. Boy, they really got that house decorated up for Christmas. That looks nice. Real nice. That's the thing, you don't see too many houses fully decorated like back in the States. Probably depends on the community that you're in. Even that house is nice with all their Christmas decorations. But you know, back in the States, you got neighbors and neighbors and neighbors just you know, decorating and for Christmas. And here, not so much. Here, not so much. Now, guys, remember, they do start Christmas starting September 1st with the Burr months. But as far as major Christmas decoration, now you get in people's houses and, you know, they'll have trees up and some Christmas decorations. but not like back in America. Oh, excuse me. There's an old Ferrari, huh? I think back in here is the hotel. I can't believe how quiet it is. So quiet. It's nice because we're sitting there eating breakfast this morning, and we've seen a couple commercial airliner coming into the airport and landing. I think I've seen a FedEx. I know I've seen a FedEx. Maybe they're delivering my Amazon order. Ordered something on Amazon and waiting for it to arrive. This guy up there watering the flowers. This is the oasis. There's all these cars here. I don't know if the place is full, but wow, look at that. That's nice. I said, until you wander back some of these side roads, you don't know what's back in here. Oasis Hotel, there it is. They have a little gift shop. I'm not going to go in there. I'll just keep going around this way. I think it wraps around. The road, that is. That's the hotel right there. To the left, all your hotel rooms. Couldn't tell you if they have a pool. You have to look it up online. Straight ahead is Dongwico or Perimeter Road. I think this road shoots off to the right. I think it just does a circle through here. Get me a morning exercise. Yeah, it does. Just does a big circle. Morning. I consider it. There are big homes back in here. I'd live back in here. Just seems like a nice little area, nice little community back in here. You can tell people take pride in their houses back in here. They keep them clean, they keep them nice. That looks like a water hose for, like, in case there's a fire hookup hose, or a fire hookup station right there. You don't see people turning their houses into sorry stores back in here and crapping up the neighborhood, as I call it. Yeah, really nice little community back in here. So I would imagine inside the Oasis Hotel is the restaurant. All right, guys, so as I was walking out, I ran into another YouTuber that lives here in Angeles City.
Hayward Joe TV.
Hayward Joe TV.
Yep.
How long you been here?
Here we've been here about 2 years, but we've been out here in the Philippines since 2004.
Okay.
Living. But
Living.
We came from Guam. We'd come out here since '97. Stayed for like 2 or 3 months.
Right.
But we haven't stayed here the whole time. We're actually in Vietnam for a while too, as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. He's like me. I mean, he just videos around different areas, places they go, places they visit, where they eat, things like that. But he brought me back here. Once again, Hayward Joe TV. You guys check it out. I'll put a link to the channel down in the description. But he lives in this area, and he brought me back here to show me some of this back in here. And boy, this is nice. Check it out. These are all 1-bedroom apartments back in here. 1-bedroom units. And he was saying they run about 10,000 pesos.
No, 27.
27,000 pesos.
The other one's a studio for 10.
The studios are for 10. These are
1 bedroom.
1-bedroom at 27,000 pesos. So you're looking at like 500 bucks. Unfurnished, but you got your own community back here. He said it's very nice. Everybody knows each other. You got access to the pool. They have a pool through here. You have a little gym here. You can come here, hang out and work out. Sit here if you want. They have a little barbecue right here. Barbecue station with running water. But boy, this is nice. Like I said, unless you know places like this exist, you drive right by it.
Yeah, and the nice thing has the security.
Yeah, security as you come in, 24/7, he said. And this, of course, is your parking. You got your own little parking area outside. Beautifully landscaped. Grass is cut. I'm sure at night the lights look really nice back in here.
Oh yeah, they light it up.
Yeah.
Like a Christmas tree.
Yeah.
But it's not so bright. It's sublime. It's a really nice touch.
I love them. What do they call them?
Things, what do they call them?
What do they call them now?
I like them too.
Fan? No. I forget what they call them. It'll come to me when I'm done the video.
Yeah, like 2 in the morning.
Yeah.
Wake up from a dead sleep. Yeah, they're expensive too.
Are they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some of these palm trees, I don't know out here, but back in Guam, you take 10,000 a pop.
Wow.
The ones that go right to the
right.
Tall ones, yeah. You ever go back to Philly?
I haven't been back since I moved here.
Oh yeah.
Something smells good. I'm gonna show you here.
Yeah, here's the studios right there.
These are the studio, 1-bedroom. No, studio, there's no bedroom.
Yeah, and you just get tons of them. So if you're a single lady, single guy.
Yeah, wow, it's really nicely decorated. Or landscape, not deck. And they have their own little barbecue in here too, if you want to do a little barbecue. I think we can walk through here, right?
Yeah, you go to the left and takes you right to the resort hotel.
Little tilapia pond.
Oh, little fish pond.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're right down the street from everything, right next
Yeah.
to the Clarkton Hotel.
Yeah.
And they have, before the pandemic, they had a bus, like a van, that would go down and stop at the Jollibee, and then they go to SM every hour.
Okay.
So you could leave here. It's mostly for the hotel people, but if you're staying here, you could also use it.
Okay.
And this brings you right up to the entrance of the hotel.
Yeah. And that's completely separate from the hotel.
Yes.
That's its own living area and everything, and then you got the hotel with the hotel stay rooms here.
You got a bar in here. Did you check out the bar in here?
Nah.
Let's walk inside. So you can look at the bar.
All right, guys, I'm just going to wrap this one up. very interesting walkthrough. You know, I was surprised that I ran into the Hayward Joe TV. Remember, guys, Hayward Joe TV, and he kind of showed me around and let me know what was going on here as far as this development area, pricing of houses in here. I was surprised. I was surprised at the prices of the homes in here, and just this nice little quiet community back in here. Yeah, very nice, very nice. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. I'm heading back to the Clarkton Hotel, and I think I'm gonna do some swimming. It's a nice, sunny, warm day here, and it's swimming time.